Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add emoji to your photo in iPhone without third-party apps. So open the photo you want to edit. Now from here tap on edit. Now tap on marker icon. From here tap on plus icon. Tap on add text. Now from here, as you can see, your keyboard is now visible. Now from here select the emoji you want to add. Remove the text and that's it. Now if you want to make it big, just simply tap on A again and increase its size. Tap on the A icon and increase its size. As you can see, the size is increased. So that's it. That's how you will add emoji to your photos in iPhone without using third-party apps. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.